go. Oh, go. Go.
And what instrument?
A trumpet.
Josiah, what are you playing? What instrument is Josiah playing, Caleb?
Now you go play the trumpet. Trumpet. Do 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 do. Now the super big me clarinet.
Your clarinet? How about that? Looks more like a flute.
This one?
No, the way you were holding it, that looks more like a flute.
To be the flute. The trumpet.
Alright, Josiah, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Josiah, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mommy, use the word under.
That's a good trick.